Today, guys, we're going to be showing you how to reinforce your RC body for bashing. So I like to do this with every new body that I get because I've done this on my Max Slash, and I'll show a video of that. I've done this on my Slash, and I did it on my Bigfoot, but that was after it was totally broken, and it still kind of worked, but I'm going to show you what I did today. On my traxxas Max Slash body, you know, I've tried concrete tape with E6000 before, but today I have some leftover Flex Seal, and we're just going to go ahead and try to put it on here and see if it actually saves anything. What do you think? You think it's going to work? Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to mask off these little holes here so I don't spray through onto my table. All right, there we go. I've successfully taped off all the holes, even the little vent holes back here. So we're gonna start putting some of the tape on and flex sealing it. Alright guys, I successfully got all of the concrete tape inside of this body. Now it's just time to use some Flex Seal. Alright, there you go guys. I'm going to let it cure, but there's a complete Max Slash body that has tape in it, that has concrete tape in it, and black Flex Seal over it. So we're gonna let this thing cure for about 24 hours and come back and visit it. All right guys, I let it sit overnight, and I mean, look, it's like way stronger. Looks pretty cool inside too. So we're gonna go ahead and get the cage put back on it and see how it runs. So first of all, I have this beautiful sledge body, beautiful purple. As you can see, it has nothing inside, but today we're gonna be putting on some Flex Seal and some concrete tape in here. But first I have to take off this exoskeleton, so I'm going to do that real quick. All right, so now we have all of the holes plugged up from when we took the skeleton off of here, and now we're going to line it with our concrete tape. All right guys, so we have the concrete tape all in this sledge body now. Now it's time to spray it down. All right guys, now I'm back a day later, and look at this. It all dried up. It's pretty hard in some places, but it especially is glued down per se. And now all we have to do is take some little scissors, and basically we're just cutting off the excess. All right guys, I hope this shows you exactly how I reinforce all of my bodies so that when we go out bashing, they're not absolutely getting destroyed. I'm having to pay anywhere from $70 to $120 every time. If you guys have any questions of how to do it or what I recommend, feel free to comment and I'll answer all the questions down there. Thank you.